In this video, let us see how to do a V-fitting. Take two workpieces made of mild steel of 50 mm length, 50 mm breadth and 6 mm thickness. Then hold the workpiece. With the help of tri-square, check the alignment of the surface such that the surface is mutually perpendicular to the other surface. By holding the workpiece and tri-square together, take the scriber and make a mark on the surface so that excess amount of material is to be removed by filing. After this, the workpiece is held on the bench vise. Unlock the lever and tighten it to hold the workpiece between the jaws of bench vise. With the help of flat file, start filing the surface. After filing, the workpiece is then taken to vernier height gauze. Chalk is rubbed against the workpiece in order to see the marking that will be done by vernier height gauze. Holding the workpiece against the angle block, marking is done as per the sketch. 3 lines are made: 10 mm, 20 mm, 24 mm. After doing the marking by vernier height gauze, the edges are joined by scriber with the help of steel ruler to give the shape of V. With the help of dot punch and ball peen hammer, putting the workpiece on the anvil, small marks are made along the lines so that cutting can be done easily. Hold the workpiece between the jaws of bench vise at an angle so that cutting can be done straight. Cutting is done by hacksaw on first workpiece. After doing the cutting, the jaws of bench vise are unlocked. In this way, the required dimension of V cutting is obtained as per the sketch. Similarly, cutting is done by hacksaw on second workpiece. In this way, the required dimension of V cutting is obtained as per the sketch. Finally, the surfaces are filed in order to make it plain. Both the surfaces are filed. The jaws of bench vise are unlocked and second workpiece is put in between the jaws. The filing is done on first side. Turn the other side and continue the filing. After filing, the jaws of bench vise are unlocked. Taking the two workpieces, the alignment is checked. The perfect alignment is acquired. So this is the V fitting obtained. Thank you.